The average person spends roughly 1/3 of their entire life asleep. That adds up to around 25 years, completely unconscious, over an average lifetime. Now imagine if that requirement simply vanished and your body no longer needed sleep at all. It sounds like an incredible gift, instantly unlocking extra decades of productive time. But the reasons your body actually needs sleep reveal why removing it would not be nearly as simple as it sounds. While you sleep, your brain activates a cleanup system called the glymphatic system, which flushes out waste products, including a protein called beta amyloid that builds up during your waking hours. Without sleep, that waste would simply keep accumulating, and scientists have directly linked buildup of this exact protein to memory problems and long-term cognitive decline. Sleep is also when your brain organizes and stores memories from the day, moving information from short-term storage into long-term memory through a process scientists call consolidation. Without that nightly sorting process, new information would likely stay fragmented and disorganized, making it significantly harder to learn new skills or retain information over time. Sleep triggers the release of growth hormone, which helps repair muscle tissue, strengthen your immune system, and regulate metabolism. Removing sleep entirely would remove this repair window completely. Over time, without this nightly repair cycle, your immune system would likely weaken considerably, making you far more vulnerable to illness and slower to heal from everyday physical strain. Gaining 25 extra years of conscious time sounds appealing, but if your brain cannot clean itself, your memories cannot properly organize, and your body cannot repair itself, that extra time would likely come at a steep and unavoidable cost. Rather than a gift, scientists suggest losing sleep entirely would more likely resemble a slow, compounding decline, one your body was simply never designed to survive without. Sleep feels like lost time, a third of your life spent completely unconscious and unproductive. But it turns out to be one of the most essential maintenance processes your entire body relies on, quietly cleaning your brain, sorting your memories, and repairing your muscles every single night. What looks like wasted time might actually be some of the most important work your body ever does.